I think that there are insights in the Vedic philosophy and cosmology that can be helpful for scientists today in guiding research in new areas. For example, the idea of a conscious self that has its own independent existence could be part of a new scientific synthesis. The origin of consciousness is one of the great difficulties facing science today. No one today has any idea of how consciousness has come about from some combination of matter. I attended a major international conference on consciousness studies, and one of the leading scientists in this field said, "We believe consciousness came about through combinations of chemicals, but it'll take us 100 years or more to demonstrate it." So I think this shows a great problem. It may be more rational to suppose that a conscious self came from a conscious source, from a source that is also conscious. That's the simplest explanation. And in science, scientists look for the simplest explanation of a phenomenon. It's called Occam's razor. So, yes, I do think that there are insights that can be provided to scientists today to help them solve many difficult problems that they confront in their research. For example, the idea of a subtle body that is there in addition to the gross physical body may help explain some difficult phenomenon as well. In the field of medicine, for example, there's the phenomenon of phantom limbs, where a person may lose an arm, for example, and then still feel as if he or she actually has the arm. They can feel localized pain in it. The Vedic idea of a subtle body with subtle limbs may help explain this phenomenon, because in the Vedic concept, the subtle limb operates through the gross physical organ. So according to this idea, even if you remove the gross physical organ, the subtle sense, the subtle limb is still there. So I think there are many insights to be found within the Vedic cosmology and the Vedic philosophy that could help scientists solve many of the most difficult problems that they're facing today in their research. And I think this would be a really good opportunity for harmonizing elements of science and religion.